How to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet, so make sure to stick with me till the end. Now if you want to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet, depending upon which wallet you're trying to send to, so if you're trying to send to Coinbase, make sure to copy the Coinbase wallet address. Now assuming you've done that, open up the Cash App and simply go to the Bitcoin tab from the bottom right of the screen. Then here you will see this type of option where you have to go to Bitcoin and you will see deposit Bitcoin, right? So go to deposit Bitcoin or send Bitcoin option, enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send to another wallet, then tap on the send option. After that, you have to simply under to section just enter that Bitcoin address that you copied, right? So depending upon which wallet you want to send to, make sure you paste that address here, select a note if you want to, and after that tap on next. That will show up over here if it exists. Then you can select that option. Finally, just have to confirm your withdrawal by tapping the confirm option, and then you'll be able to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. This way you'll be able to send Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.